Alright boys, so what a freaking banger that I caught, bro. Absolutely killed the market today again, man. I'm gonna show you guys the one setup that I took, which was on the same account, as you guys can see. So it's a $150,000 account right here. We grew it from 134. We made about $1,000 today. For the week, we are up about $11,000 here for the week. Absolutely murdering this freaking account, bro. Killing it. $150,000. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful positions that we've been taking. Guys, it doesn't come easy and it doesn't come overnight, but it's definitely possible, bro. But I appreciate all the support that you guys show me. If you guys aren't on the YouTube live streams, you're not gonna catch these trades. I'm gonna do the room tour right now, so let me get everything set up. All right, guys, so I want to give you guys like the best view. First of all, I have like this caution man cave thing here because I had it in my previous house before I even started trading, so I brought it.
And we're down, we go, 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 go. And we're down, we go, 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 go. So we're down, we go, go.
Right over here, we have I never dreamed of success. I worked for it. Here we have something Barca gave me. Shout out to Barca Savage. He's my fucking brother. Right over here, we have 90% of people who quit are employed by the 3% that never gave up, 100%. The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. Money never sleeps. This one's actually very good. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So guys, this one right here, ever since I bought this one, bro, I started making a shit ton of money. So there's some sort of luck. That's why I put it on top of the room and literally in the middle of the whole freaking room. Something's up with that poster. Ever since I got that poster, I've been making a shit ton of money. Right here, hustle, boom, the grind. We got execution. We got leader. So this right here, Barca gave me this one too, bro. It's so fire. It's like the Rolex, you know, it's like the Rolex sign with wealth and success. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have my belt up there that my girlfriend gave me a long time ago because I'm the fucking champ. Simple. My best friend Sebastian Botero got me. Beautiful. It's like a little Monopoly with the bull. So right here we have all my Rubik's cubes. We have all my Rubik's cubes. We have that. We have you must be the change of the world, and then you got this. This also, bro. Ever since I started telling myself and just when every time I turn on my computer, I have to go right here. And first thing I read is right here. You got this. This is one of my favorite ones because this one really teaches me to like be confident in this room. Leave all the unconfident shit outside this room, and it's like mindset's everything. So if I come in this room with a bad mindset, bro, I'm fucked. We have Crash the Bandicoot. If you guys played PS2, you guys will know what this is. And then we also have this is Freedom Trading, but dude, it has dollar signs, which is so fire. That just makes so much sense because I'm Dr. Dollar, owner of Freedom Trading. We have my wrestling trophy, the turnaround. So I was a bad kid. I got kicked out of high school and I came back to wrestle because they were gonna kick me out again, but I came back. They put me on the wrestling team, so they gave me this trophy. I sucked ass, but turn around. So I always tell myself that I was a fucking bad kid at one point, but we completely turned that around. We have Conor McGregor, which is the guy who instilled confidence in me, honestly. And we have Elon Musk, rich ass motherfucker. Then we have a little lava lamp here, which takes forever to warm up, so you guys aren't gonna see that. So this one I actually bought myself. She's smoking a bullet, but it's a dollar bill. Kobe Bryant. If you move, you see, Kobe Bryant is a fucking beast. Boom, you see, it's fucking. And then we have Pikachu here. We have Ash. Right there, you see it? And we have Ash again. This is my childhood, man, so I have to put it up there. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna show you guys what I have. I have a massive monitor here. So as you guys can see, I have 49-inch Samsung monitor. We have my monitor here that I built myself, pretty fire. And then we have my Rubik's cubes that I'm trying to freaking solve, but they're literally impossible. And then we have this big, it's kind of like a flat screen TV, but it's a monitor. I just like this bigger because this is where I have like my Streamlab and the things that I used to stream. But yeah, that's my setup, man. And then here we have like a bunch of little things to take notes and shit. We have cameras. We have these headphones. Astros. These are called Steel Series. The Steel Series, the new ones. Badass. I love these. Put that right there. And then we have the casting couch. I just got out the shower, so we decided to actually wash my dog. We're gonna shower you tonight.
He's so dirty.
And then look at his brother. Check it up on him. He's like, you good, bro? Look how dirty this freaking water is. Jesus Christ, man. He's literally turning into Donald Trump. All clean. Bro, who would you kill? You look like you just killed someone, Papa. Bro, what's wrong with him? Alright, pups. They're all nice and... Hey, man. Relax. Why the fuck are you attacking people? Brody. H. You gotta be careful because this one has seizures. Good boy. What? You good? What? freaking banger today. Another one, bro. We're freaking killing the markets, bro. We're on a nasty little streak here. Break down the trade for you guys and then show you everything we did. We're up $1,400 on the day. So something very, very light. But if you go to all history, guys, you guys can see every single trade that I take. Go all the way down. We're up $23,900 with a deposit of $132 and $5,000 withdrawal. So full balance of $151,468. Amazing trade. I'm gonna break down the trade for you guys. So as you guys can see, very, very simple, right? So we missed out the breakout here. We missed this breakout because it went too quick. No candle closure. We said that we were gonna take this little retracement buy, which is pretty much a break and retest of the structure level. But eventually we got that push. We got the break and retest, but this was more of an impulsive trade, not really real confirmations. I was just waiting for a 5-minute support and then a bullish engulfing. I was gonna look to enter here, but that would be at the resistance. So then price eventually just shot up. Couldn't do nothing about it. Stayed patient with the market. Waited for the market to then come back to me. Price eventually dropped, came down all the way over here. And then that's when I knew, okay, I'm gonna set buy stops above these highs right here. Above this previous high, which is the 5-minute candle high right there. Put buy stops right there. Price eventually shot up and it's gonna be on our way to TP2. I close full because that's what I do, guys. I'm a scalper. I'm not a swinger. I don't get greedy. I just take what I take every single day. I do not like to really push my profits. I like to just happy, bro. $1,400 a day. Keep in mind, guys, $1,400 a day. I used to make $80 a day working at BJ's. I used to make $80 a day working at Uber Eats. So it's like $1,400 in one day, bro. I'm happy with that. Super happy with that. So I appreciate all the support you guys show me. Can't say that enough. We're gonna walk the dogs. We're gonna have a good day. Probably gonna watch a movie. Hey, how does it feel for your dad to be a winner? Fire, right? Hell yeah, it is. Hell yeah, it is.